In this video, we now just want to get these buttons to all work correctly on the main menu. Okay, so let's just switch our load button back on again. And we want the load game to basically load any data. We want the new game just to go back to default. So for example, if you have saved the game and you want to replay back from the beginning again, the new game will allow everything to be reset back to normal, but it doesn't get rid of your play prefs. Okay, so if you decide, okay, I've played through that, I want to go back to the main menu and load where it was last time, obviously you can do, as long as you don't save over your data. And obviously quit will allow you to quit the game. Now the quit only works once you've exported the game. Okay, if I try to press quit inside when I press play inside of the simulator, it won't do anything. Alright, because it only works on an actual exported program. But I'll be showing you that a little bit later. Okay, so for now, on the load game button, we want to associate something with an on click. What we're going to associate is attached to the canvas, and it's going to be part of the menu script. Alright, so let's open that. Let's go into the menu script. We need a public function. So public void, let's call it load game data. Okay, and all we're going to do is say load game equals true. The rest of it is going to be handled inside of the game. So what we're going to see is that on save load, it's part of this. So it's if menu script.load game equals true, it's going to run all of this stuff that we've set up. It's going to get everything from the player prefs, it's going to repopulate all the data, and it's even going to change the location of the player. But if menu script.load game is false, it will reset everything back to its default and you start as normal. Alright, so there's public void load game data, load game equals true. But then we also need a public void new game data, and this one's simply going to do the opposite. It's load game equals false. Alright, so sets it back. So let's save that, and under the load game button we're now going to find our on click. We're going to press plus and we're going to drag our canvas into that section there, and we're going to find our menu script and we want load game data. Alright, and that's going to do that. And then obviously we need to do exactly what we've done with the new game button. We need to run this loading screen. Okay, so we're going to press plus to add another element. We need to take our loading screen, and it's going to be loading screen bar system, and it's going to be load screen int. Okay, and the level we want to load is level 1. Okay, because obviously 0 is the menu itself. Great, so that's the load game button done. For the new game, we need to do the same thing again. So canvas, dragged in there, menu script, and this time it's new game data. And in fact, I want to drag that one above the other one. Can I do that? Don't think I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of that one by pressing the minus, and I'm going to plus to add a new one underneath it, because I want it to run this first, okay, before actually loading anything. So now I want to get my loading screen back in here, loading screen bar system and loading screen int, and it's going to be level 1. Okay, so make sure it's in the correct order. Now for the quit game button, we need another function. Alright, so let's go back to our menu script, and we're going to say public void quit game. Okay, now to do this, all we need to write is application dot quit. Okay, it's an inbuilt system, so it doesn't require anything else. It just recognizes that the actual application that you're running, in other words the exported game, should now just quit, in other words close down. Alright, that's it. So let's save that. On our quit game button, let's just press our plus. We want to drag our canvas onto there and go to our menu script, and it's simply quit game. Alright, that's it. So now everything is working on our menu. In the next video we'll be going back into the game and just doing the final bits on the game. We're very close to finishing this series now.